We just cut and get rid of it.
Dude, we're 30 seconds into this video. It'll actually save time just to do it.
Failure to assume.
Make sure you guys aren't in the way of the video, of the board.
Oh, I am in the way of the board. Move over a little bit more.
I don't know if I can with the camera.
I don't know why it's so hard now.
Okay.
I'm Devin.
I'm Tyler.
I'm Austin, and we are right away.
Our problem statement is that failure to assume others' actions at intersections is the leading cause for collisions. 31.3% of these accidents occurred at intersections controlled by at least one stop sign. 29.2% of these were due to decision errors.
According to the Department of Transportation, 55% of all crashes involving at least one stop sign, what is it?
Decision error.
Are caused by a decision error.
Well, we searched out to look for similar products and patents that we could find. The first one we found was the Subaru EyeSight. Subaru EyeSight is a pair of dual cameras mounted behind the rear view camera. It detects the car in front of you, the speed of the car in front of you, how its distance from the hood of your car, and it checks to make sure you're in their lane. This detects any hazards in the road, and it tells you to brake if the vehicle in front of you is about to brake. That way you don't collide. It's mainly for long road trips. That way, whenever the driver gets distracted or starts to doze off, it does not really stop with help. It does not help prevent decision errors.
This patent is a device that detects whenever you are entering a stop sign area and will actually apply the brakes for you so that you cannot overrun the stop sign. And once you reach the stop sign and you stop, it will actually shut off your motor using a disconnect clutch to save gas, and it doesn't allow rapid acceleration as soon as you pull out of the stop sign.
With those similar solutions, we came up and designed our own concepts, and we put them into our similar solution matrix and our design matrix to come up with our 6 concepts and our specifications. And we weighted the specifications from the least of installation next to size, then cost, reliability, and safety. And from there, we use that weight to multiply each of the values from worst to best of our concepts to get which of the top 3 we like the best.
Our first design over here in the top left corner is a laser beam brake system. The way it works is there's 2 modules that will be constantly shooting a laser at each other on opposite sides of the road. Whenever a vehicle moves in between, the lasers will detect that the laser is not moving across and not continuous. It will detect a vehicle is there and will then send a signal out to other modules in the area. That's how we'll be able to tell if a vehicle's at a stop sign, and then a stop sign will have a little LED on there alerting you of when it is safe to go. It is a single LED that will just be off. Whenever it's safe to go, it'll just flash green. That's when you have right away to be able to continue through the intersection.
Our second design here uses a module attached behind the stop sign, along with these devices that are installed inside the vehicle. They have 3 different display screens: stop, next, and go, color coordinated with a stop sign. They use the module attached behind the stop sign to detect whenever the vehicle has approached the area where the stop needs to happen, and it will display the correct sign based on other vehicles in the area, or if you need to wait, whatever. And it kind of works like a ring, that like Bluetooth, that sends out to pick up whenever a device has entered the area.
Our third design I designed, and it is basically taking the normal stop sign design, and instead of having the metal plate with just stop, it is a bright screen that will switch from stop to go when it's detected that the car at the sign is able to go, alerting the driver that it is safe to go. And on top, you have the sensor that detects where the car is and if it has stopped. And it's on back is where the computer module is and the solar panel, so it does not need to be connected to the local power grid.
That concludes our presentation, guys. Please vote to tell us which design you think is the best. Thank you for your input.
3, 2, 1. Should give us some time.
Yeah, I realized
to
that.
edit out.